Hello, my name is Erika Mora. I am 22 years old. I live in Madrid, Cundinamarca. I study industrial engineering. I belong to the group E0, 8, 7, 6, and 4. Next, I will tell you about the whole city of the Cartagena. Whole city of the Cartagena. Cartagena is city located the Caribbean coast of Colombia at the end of the Low Country. The city controls our the project is inhabited from by robbed pirates. The last 3 years with my family, we have visited beautiful Cartagena. We leave Bogota, we plan when we go the airport. We feel to how we took a taxi and went to the hotel that was near the sea, and we a beautiful beach. That some afternoon with my family when we went out to see new places, new foods, go along beach. The day we visit a museum, we go near the next wall, and the people are very friendly with tourists, and they treat you well. The food is very that's you will find typical dish of the place during our visit to Cartagena. We ate a lot of fish. It was our best family trip that we remember with fun memories and many aventuras. Thank you. Bye.